Hello viewer, it's a cup shape we have taken here. I will take an image over that cup, stretch the image, make it fixed, and there we will create a clipping mask. Again take a cup shape, generate the different shapes here. I will take that emoji shape and repeat the similar process to get it. I will similarly stretch to cover up the whole shape we have taken there. Generate a clipping mask, add a paint around it. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.